Okay guys, so today I have a little tutorial. It's over Texas rigs. It's mainly used for bass, but I mean I guess you could fish it for something else. And I've just only known it for bass. So what it consists of is an offset hook. So as you can see, it has this little curve right here. Of course, this one's been used. It already has a line on it, and it's just like any other regular hook. Bottom. So then on top of it you can have a bead, or I mean you don't have to, but usually I do. Usually go with the green, and then there's a little spot that you stick it in through, or you can go with the orange. Green just works better for me, so that's what I use. And to top it all off, you have a medium-sized bullet weight. I believe that this is a I'm gonna say like a fourth. I'm not really sure. I don't usually check those. But it's about a medium size. You know, there's small, large, just about in the middle. So the way to hook this up is when you have it on your line, it's gonna look something like this. If I pull my rod forward, it looks like this, right? Your bullet weight, bead, and then the hook. So I'm going to teach you how to put the worm on. So I have the worm right here. I usually use U-tail June bug. It's usually what works the best. Georgia, usually smoke purple, anything like that. Around that usually works if you're fishing like muddy water. You know, clear water, you usually want like a lighter color, like a light green. That's usually what you're going to catch fish on. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this. As you can see, there's like, I guess you could say like little like racks. There's not on this. You're gonna take the racks and you want them facing outward. So you're gonna hook it through to about that, and you want to twist it out. Turn it around, pull it all the way up, right, onto that offset part. So once you have it on that offset part right there, you're gonna take here, you're gonna leave a little bit of space for it. Okay. So right there, you're gonna push this through, right? And you can go weedless, but what I like to do is I like the hook to be barely out, right? I just believe that, you know, it gives it just a little extra bit, and then when the fish bites down on it, what this is going to do is it's going to go like that. And usually what that'll do is the worm will kind of fold over, and the hook goes, and that's when he hooks at it. I'm just going to give it a better angle on that. You can see it's hidden, and then it pops out. So yeah, that's how it does it, and it does it. Overall, it looks something about like this. If you want to go weedless, you hide the hook, and you don't usually use, you probably use like a frog or something like that, like top water if there's a bunch of weeds. Or if Texas isn't working for you, what you can do is go with spinner bait. Okay, so right here I have this spinner bait. It's has a willow leaf blade, and I believe that this is an Indiana blade right here. So willow leaf and Indiana. This is usually the weight up here, and this one has a plastic worm on it, which you just, if I take it off, I'll show you how to put it on. So it's same as Texas, well, almost the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it in through the top, push a little bit, you're going to have to twist it just a little bit on the hook, about right there, and then you would pop it out, pull it up. So that way you get that nice line right there. Okay. And then the other kind is right here. This can go from any size. This is just a fourth. There's halves. Well, yeah, this is a half, and then the other one that I have is a full. This is a willow leaf blade. It's just custom stuff like that with a Colorado blade, which is a little bit different. It just has longer on these sides right here. As you can see, it's, you know, looks kind of like hair. That's to imitate, you know, schools of fish and stuff like that. And you can see that there's a hook, so when it bites down, it'll go and that hook will show. Again, this is the weight right here, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to throw the Texas rig, okay? So what you're going to do is I have a pole here, so because I don't have a pond right next to me. You're going to throw it, let it sink to the bottom. You're going to start it off. What you want to do is you want to jerk it up and slack line, so that way it stays tight. Just keep doing that all the way. So that way it gets that good action of boom, boom, drops, boom, boom, drops. So it looks more like an actual worm. That's what we're trying to imitate with this. Retail, in my opinion, just puts, you know, that little extra, I guess you could say, like action on it. That way it's more movement, so that way the bass gets more attention to it. So that's how you do Texas rig. And a spinnerbait is just a straight reel, so I don't need to show that.